Hi, my name is Zach Miller, and inside of this course, we're going to be learning about the ins and outs of MailChimp. As simple as that may sound, MailChimp has made it easy to get started, but there are a few hooks, leaps, and turns that you're going to be going through in order to get your website and your business and your list connected properly so that everything is one streamlined, smooth process. And that's what this course is all about. Not only that, I'm also going to be including some marketing tips so that way you know how to communicate with your audience once they get on your list. Once you have them subscribing and opting into your newsletter, I'm going to show you the ways to literally make an entire business out of just your email list alone, not including all of your other marketing platforms that you already probably use. So MailChimp is a very awesome platform that you can use to leverage a lot of your business and success for the future. Join me as we do that together.